Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top in-demand niches that are set to blow up in the next few years. Let's get started. First up, a global shift, sustainability, and eco-friendly living. This movement is gaining momentum as more people recognize the importance of protecting our planet. We're talking reducing our carbon footprint by embracing renewable energy sources and green transportation options, and living mindfully with less waste. Simple changes like composting and using reusable bags can make a big difference. People are eager to make a difference, participating in community cleanups and climate marches, and live in alignment with their values. Families are recycling more, shopping locally, and using reusable products. Think practical tips for reducing waste, DIY eco-friendly products, and sustainable fashion. Upcycling and homemade solutions are becoming popular. There's a lot to unpack here, from educational workshops to community discussions on sustainability, and the audience is hungry for it. People are actively seeking knowledge and ways to contribute to a greener future. Next, health and wellness. This niche covers mental health, mindful eating, and work-life balance. Think stress-busting yoga, healthy recipes, and guided meditations. Endless possibilities. Third, the traditional 9-to-5 is getting flipped on its head. Remote work and the digital nomad lifestyle are exploding, offering freedom and flexibility. We're talking productivity hacks, remote work setups, and travel tips for digital nomads. Fourth, personal finance and investing for the future. Younger generations are more financially aware than ever. They are actively seeking knowledge and tools to manage their finances better. They're hungry for information on managing money, investing wisely, and building wealth. This generation is keen on making informed financial decisions. Imagine breaking down complex financial concepts, sharing investment strategies, and reviewing budgeting apps. These tools can make a significant difference. There's a huge opportunity to empower this audience and help them achieve financial freedom. By providing the right guidance, we can shape a financially secure future for them. Number 5. NFTs, cryptocurrency, and the future of digital ownership. This space is full of complex tech and incredible potential. It's about making the complex simple, explaining NFTs, blockchain technology, and digital ownership. 6. Gaming and esports. More than just a game. The gaming and esports industry is booming. We're talking game reviews, esports tournaments, and live streams. It's about community, connecting with gamers, and celebrating creativity and skill. 7. DIY and home improvement. Building skills and creating spaces. There's been a surge in interest for DIY projects and home improvement. It's about transforming your space, learning new skills, and creating something with your own hands. Imagine step-by-step tutorials, creative home decor ideas, and upcycling projects. 8. Tech and gadgets, the never-ending innovation. The world of tech and gadgets is constantly evolving. This niche is about diving into the latest tech releases, providing in-depth reviews, and geeking out over specs and features. It's about helping people understand how this tech fits into their lives. So there you have it. A look at some of the top in-demand niches that are shaping the future of various industries. These niches have huge growth potential and are ripe with opportunities. The real magic happens when your passions intersect with what the world needs. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments below what niches you're most excited about and why. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace, and stay inspired.